Hello, everybody. Jose Rodriguez here. Let me take a drink here. I love this stuff. Very good for you. Anyway, someone saw me using these types of little bottles when I was refilling my cartridges, and they said, "Hey, those are pretty cool. Where do you get them from?" Precision Colors has them. I also have a couple of Amazon links on my affiliate page. Make sure you go there. Everybody shops Amazon. Use my link, bookmark it, do all your shopping through there. It doesn't have to be printer related. You can actually just search within the affiliate page for which I give you a link for. Please do that. That'll be just effortless support of the channel that way, since you're going to buy products through Amazon anyway. But anyway, these are meant originally to apply certain lubricants in micro machining aspects and instrument lubrication, that sort of thing. But they make fantastic ink delivery bottles. They come already with a needle. It's a Luer lock needle. That means that this cap is threaded. These caps really seal well. And what you simply do, and this is a yellow card, so I'm not going to, of course, add magenta to this. You're going to take your empty card that has a clip attached, slip it in place, upside down, just like that. At this point, then flip your bottle over and start adding your ink. If you turn it upside down, chances are, because these bottles are rather easy to squeeze, you may end up dripping some ink accidentally because you may have applied a little bit of side pressure. So the way to do it safely is this way, okay? And then flip it over and begin to feed ink to your cartridges. So those bottles can be found again through my affiliate page, through Precision Colors themselves. And also, if you just want to buy through a third party, just go to any electronic type supply house online. They all have these bottles. Search for Luer lock bottles for like lubrication or something to that effect, and you will find these. And again, I really suggest that you guys begin to use these instead of using syringes. Okay, syringes are a pain in the neck. You have to then wash them. Some people want to use one syringe for each color. Yeah, that's the best way. I usually use a single syringe and just thoroughly wash after each application or color. But again, these are the best, and I got some good friends out there. Somebody made me this beautiful 3D printed case or holder for the bottles, as you can see. And by the way, this is not the new Precision Color Signature Edition ink. This is what I have left. And actually, I have 4-ounce bottle set of inks that I haven't even cracked open yet. I'm going to go ahead and probably offer those for free to anyone who will want them. Hint, hint, let me know. I will charge you for shipping. It'll be like 14 bucks to ship those inks to you. They have to kind of go local by truck because it is a liquid. So anyway, that is it. Those bottles are awesome. They beat the heck out of syringes. I really don't use syringes any longer. I just use those bottles. And I have sets everywhere in this room right now for each particular type of ink set. So that is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. All the time I'm going to be coming up with little videos such as these because there's so many questions being asked on my comment section and also on the Facebook group. And I want to just pass that information out to all of the viewers. I can reach out a lot more people on the video channel that I can on Facebook. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoy these. Hey, again, I will be putting these out more regularly, hopefully this week and next week. Thank you so much for watching. You know the drill. Subscribe, share, and like. And until the next time, happy printing as always. Bye-bye.